Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to discuss of chapter applications of trigonometry of exercise 12.1 sixth sum. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building at a height of 6 meters to the target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? So based on the question, I have drawn the figure here. This is a building. From the top of the building, you are observing the angle of depression, that is 60 degrees. So here is the object. Therefore, the distance from observer, that is me, and the object is x meters. Okay, that is when we need to find. And angle of elevation is given as 60 degrees. So I have mentioned here what is given here and what to find. We need to find the distance between observer and the object case, that is AC we need to find. So from the triangle, so AB is a building, 60 is the angle of depression, and AC is the distance, that is we need to find. Okay, now hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent we don't have here. So from the information of opposite and hypotenuse we can find this. So using again sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, that is sin 60 equal to AB by AC, that equal root 3 by 2, that equals 6 by x. Therefore x equal 12 by root 3 guys. So still we can simplify this sum as by making 12 can be written as root 12 whole square, that is 12 is repeated 2 times, so we'll get 4 root 3 guys, or we can substitute root 3 value as 1.732, that implies 6.928. So 4 into 1.732, 1.732 is the value of root 3, so we get 6.928 guys. Therefore the distance between observer and the object is 6.928, that is the distance from observer and the object is 6.928 guys. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.